Hi, my name is Ahmad Jite. Once again, this is Tutorial 05, and as you're aware, we're using instead of polling, we're dealing with asynchronous form of transmitting information between server and clients, and to be able to handle multiple requests and response. Here we go. We've updated here, and we've added our IO. The socket server. We have our traditional ones, the HTTP request definitions and initializations, and we have modified, and I'll show you that in a bit. But what's important here is that we've gotten rid of most of the lengthy codes. And here we go. This is our server, and I am going to go to the other part, which is here. We have our canvas with time. We've added this part that socket equals this, so we've added this particular function, and we've also modified in the event or timer listener here, and instead of polling, which would affect various browser pages, and as you're aware, we've gotten rid of the polling and replaced it with just the socket one. And no. I think I'll have to go back because some. Okay, so we got rid of this. I think it's this. We don't need this polling anymore. And we're back here where we just added a line of code, as I've said earlier. And this is going to take care of situation. So I have already downloaded the NPM. As you can see, the node modules are available. So I'm just going to go and run for us to see. It's in my demo code. Now I'm running node server. Of course, we would have, at the beginning use npm install socket.io, but we don't need it because I've already done that. We don't need it. That's this one, npm install io socket. This would have installed everything, but I've done that already. So I'm going back to just run the server, and I'm going to open two different browsers. As you can see, this is the first one. I am back there, and going up and opening another browser. Now, what we're trying to do or prove is that at the beginning, what used to happen was that whatever you do on this particular page would reflect here. Now, but in this case, in the previous one, we were using polling. So with polling, things are not asynchronous. So whatever you do here is demonstrated here as well. But in this case, no. So I can use my arrow and move this blue box to the left or to the right, and it's not going to affect this one. This one remains here. I can bring this one down and it will not affect the other one. This one remains here. I can move this on different parts and move them and play with them, and it will not affect anything here. Unlike polling, if it was polling, if I move this right here, the blue box moves right. This blue box on the other page here will do the same thing. But as you can see, they are not. I can move this one left, and you look at this one, it remains on the right. So this is the asynchronous form. And basically, that's our demonstration. And thank you so much. We have the code, and we'll be uh, doing the needful to make sure everything is necessarily put in place. Thank you so much.